going, everybody? It's your girl Ariel, aka Ari, coming right back at you with another video. So today is a very simple video. I just decided randomly to do my hair in two big plaits going back. So if you're interested in seeing how I accomplished this style on 4C hair, that's not trimmed, so it's very coarse. Listen, just keep on watching, and don't forget to like it up and comment down below. Let's get into the video. Yo, what's up, beauties? Okay, sorry for the interruption, but I have a little announcement that I think you'd really like, so check it out. that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful to you in any kind of way. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. But before you go, I just want to show you guys something really cool, okay? Just 1 second. Bam! Okay? Yes, we just got straight to the point. Bam! Like, look at this case that I got from Soufeel. Look at my phone case. I got my whole family on there. I have the iPhone XR, so this is how it looks. There's so many templates and there's so many different kinds. I customized it to get my picture, and I have a picture with each of my siblings. So these are my sisters, and you know, that's Ella, that's Adasha, and then I have with my brothers, and then I have with my entire family, so you can see my mom and my dad there, because I realized I don't have a picture with just my mom and my dad. It's terrible, like a good picture. So I just did this cute little collage. So basically I went on the website and I put in which photos I wanted, and they just sent it to me. Oh, and I customized what words I put here, what word. I put blessed. It's kind of hard to read. I love this phone case. People always ask me about it, like all the time. It's so cool. And I got the glass version. I'm gonna leave the link to this specific case in the description, but it gives you two options. You get the plastic or you get the glass. I got the glass. The only thing about the glass is that be careful, it is glass, so it can crack. So I cracked mine just a little bit because I'm always dropping my phone. Thumbs up if you always drop your phone like me. I'm always dropping my phone. Like, it's ridiculous. So maybe if you're a phone dropper like me, glass is probably not the best, but I still like it because of the effect that it gives, but I have no idea how the plastic would look, so hey, it's your choice. And y'all remember my necklace? I'm always wearing it. If you guys watch so many of my videos, you would know. You would probably notice that I always have this necklace on. It says my name, Ariel. But we're talking about the case today. So this case is just, well, it's just super cute. I really like it. And I think my favorite part of this website is that it is super, whoa, excuse me. I'm sorry y'all, but it needed to be done. Yeah, I think, wait, let me just kind of, you know what I'm saying? My favorite part of this website is that it is so affordable. Go ham on Soufeel.com. I have a coupon code that I will leave in the description box below. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Super special shout out to our featured subby of today's video. Bam. Thank you so much. Oh, sorry, let me give you some more space. Thank you so much for your support, for your love. I really appreciate it. I hope that you are having a great day, a great week, a fantastic year, and a fantabulous life. God bless you. If you guys would like to be featured in any of my upcoming videos, you already know what to do. Make sure you like this video, you comment down below, and of course you subscribe to join the gang so we can hang. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.